Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Zubair Katib from Jakarta, Indonesia, and thank you so much for your time. And I want to share my experience and the benefits which I gained being associated with Sherdil IT Academy. 2020 was a difficult time for me, as you all know. It was in the midst of pandemic. I lost my job, and the logical sense was that I need to upgrade myself and look into get into a field which has good prospects and demand. So getting into cloud computing was my goal, and I started researching which institute would make sense or what I would need to do. So I wanted to do a course where the practitioner actually implements or does cloud-based projects. So Sherdil Academy was one of the shortlisted place for me, and then I had a call with Usman sir, and I shared my background with him, and then he was kind enough to answer my questions, respond to my apprehensions. Being from non-IT background, that means that I am not I don't do hands-on technical stuff, so I was more into business development, sales, IT consulting, those kind of roles, pre-sales, IT consulting roles. So I started off being as a multi-cloud I took up a multi-cloud professional course with them. Started with AWS AWS and Alibaba Cloud, and now I'll be further continuing with GCP and Azure starting this month. So what benefit I got is this: I got a trainer or say like a coach whom I can reach out to, whom I can ask questions, and it is a very hands-on kind of learning. And the best thing was the insights of how real world implementation looks like. So Usman sir and also Rafi sir used to give us insights about how actually things are done in real world. So that came in very handy. And after finishing my AWS course and Alibaba certifications, I by Allah's grace, I finished about 4 certifications Alibaba. I was active in the Alibaba forums, and that landed me a couple of interviews with Alibaba Cloud and one interview with AWS. Unfortunately, I wasn't prepared yet. So after say about 8 months of pursuing and continuous learning, understanding things, alhamdulillah, now I am a cloud solutions consultant with a leading AWS partner in Indonesia. And I just want to say thank you, Jazakallah khair, for all my for Usman sir, Rafi sir, and also to my friends and colleagues who supported me. And and I would be happy if anyone has any questions about cloud, getting into this career, what would be an option, or any honest feedback about how Sherdil IT Academy would help to would help to get you into the field where you want to pursue a career. Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.